Guys, Whitetop Adventures here. Today we're showing you guys how to install our roof rack for the Sprinter. This is for the Sprinter 144, also the 170, and of course this is also compatible with basically the same step for the low roof as well. Very simple tool. First of all, you need a 10mm socket and a 17mm socket, and we have included these sliders, and this is what you need to do first. Just slide these sliders in your roof rails. This is the OEM roof rail, of course. It's basically the same step, but it's also compatible with the aftermarket roof rails. So 2 plates on each side, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3 feet on each plate. So total of 16 sliders need to be in place, and you just have to slide them out and kind of spread them out in place. And next step, we're gonna install the side rails. For the screw that we're using for the roof rails, we have this 10mm M10, and you're gonna need a split washer, which is included. The split washer goes on first, and then the regular washer. And take it, and you have to line up the slider with the rail. The hose has to be pretty much lined up, and then you just screw it in. Yeah, please know the orientation of the rails. So basically this is curved inwards. You can flip it and it will just curve outside. We want to still gain access of your roof rails, so make sure the orientation is correct. And the placement of these placements of these sliders, we're pretty much at the end of the OEM roof rails, both in the front and also on the back. With the aftermarket one, you can kind of play with. Aftermarket one has much longer rails, so you can kind of play with where you want this whole system to be, so you can kind of shift this whole thing back or forward. But for the OEM one, we're pretty much at the bottom. There's about 1 inch, I would say, and the same thing goes to the front, about 1 inch. So after we mount the complete rail on the side, on this side, on both sides, and it's time to mount the crossbars. The mounting of the crossbars is fairly easy. This is also included, I believe it's the M6 screw, and the same thing goes for a split washer and a washer. And you just have to line up with the holes, the crossbar, and this is the first position of the rail. And then of course you have these mounting locations that you can mount your crossbars throughout the rack. And yeah, start it with your hand, and then tying up with hand tools. You're gonna do this there. So there's 2 holes here and then 2 holes on the other side. So you're gonna do this on both ends of the rails to mount your crossbars. Yeah, so after that, you're just gonna have to mount all your crossbars. So total of 6 crossbars included, and you just have to locate whatever position that you would like the crossbars to be. All these locations are available throughout the rack for you to mount the crossbars, and then that's pretty much it. And mount your and then after that, you can mount your solar panels or whatever you're planning to put it on your roof rack. Thanks, guys.